Good morning, traders. How's everybody doing? Just did bought SPPI, crashed 53% this morning. Did buy a lot of shares. My first five-figure trade, you guys. I'm up big right now. I just want to stay calm and stick to the price action, trying to see if this thing breaks 4, if it stays above 4. Right now, we're watching times and sales. Like I always say, you guys, everything's possible as long as you keep trying and scaling up slowly. Anything's possible in the market, you guys. So I'm up 14 so far. I don't want to jinx it, so I got 1,000 shares just to sell in case I don't see no more bidders coming in at above $4. So we're just gonna chill and watch the times and sales, you guys. If it cracks 4, we're gonna get rid of another 1,500 shares. And we're going to see if the 9 EMA holds up for the rest. Remember, you guys, it's all about protecting our money, protecting our capital. See a few buyers coming back in. Let's see if this thing cracks VWAP, holds a 9 EMA. You guys see me going to the sell just in case. Got some big sellers coming in case this thing cracks 4. Just sold 1,500 shares. Only have 1,500 shares left, you guys. I want to see the test of the 398. We're going to see if this holds, you guys. This is where it broke out, where it should become near resistance. The problem is right now we have VWAP and we have the 9 EMA above us. So I'm going to risk a little bit. I just want this kind of to be a bear trap. A lot of shorts came in because this thing couldn't hold above VWAP. So I'm watching the times and sales real fast, see if they want to dump this thing. I just locked that in, you guys, just in case this thing dumps, you guys. Always about risk management. Right now I'm going to put 750. Just broke 402, you guys. Hopefully we get a little squeeze. I might add on 200 shares. That's my max add-on for the day if it holds above 4. Just want to watch volume and the bidders for 1 second. Big buyer at 4, you guys. Added on 200 shares just in case it cracks VWAP. I'll sell 300 shares at VWAP. I mean at 410 at next resistance. Sell 300, half of that. See a lot of buyers coming in. Hopefully we get a little squeeze. Let's see if they can hold it above 4. There's a 15,000 share buyer. Hopefully I don't get tricked out. Sometimes I will get tricked out by level 2, you guys. Hopefully he doesn't pull his offer or nothing. Bam. Somebody jumped in front of him. Let's see if this thing cracks VWAP. A lot of sellers at VWAP, you guys. A lot of sellers at VWAP. Just took off 300 shares, you guys. Just took off 300 shares. Locking in most of the profits. Have 300 more shares left. Let's see if we could get past 410 with the last 300. This is our next resistance, you guys. If we can get through this, a lot of shorts will be underwater. So we'll see some of them cover. We're going to watch the times and sales and volume to see if a lot of them are underwater. So we're going to watch this for a second. Now half of 300 is what, you guys? 150. So why my backspace is not working. So we'll just say 200 since my backspace thing is not working. I'm going to try to take off 200 if it cracks resistance and holds above it for 1 second. Watching times and sales, watching for big size, still haven't came in too hard. Main thing is right now is to hold above $4, you guys. There's going to be a lot of stop losses at $4 if we get below $4. Let's see if they hold it above $4 again. A lot of supply again at VWAP. Ugly candle coming in so far on the 3 minute. Got some buyers coming back in at $4. Just I want to tell everybody before I forget, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. I might make a video for New Year's, you guys, so keep subscribe to the channel for a new watch list for 2020, how to make a new watch list. Everybody, happy holiday, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. Happy holidays, and hopefully 2020 will be a good year for you guys. This thing's got some bidders at 401. Still having a hard time to get above this resistance right here. They have a lot of resistance in their favor. We have a decent trend though in our favor. Let's see if it holds this little trend so far. We have some support at $4. We have the 90 EMA and we have a little decent trend line. What they have is they have two resistances. They have a big resistance from pre-market right here. They have a big resistance at pre-market, and they have resistance above them right here from probably previous. I probably lined it up from a long time ago on the daily chart. There's probably resistance somewhere. So we're gonna see if this, hopefully the shorts get squeezed right here. This thing cracks VWAP. Volume kind of slowing down a little bit. Still kind of holding the 9. I want to be a little patient to see a breakout of the 410. I just don't want the video to be too long, you guys. So hopefully we get a decent little breakout. I held this overnight. CLVS took a little loss on there, so that's why you guys, I tell you guys, risk to reward. Look it. And what I do is I size up on a good place. What I think is really, really good going in my way, I'll add. Here comes the test of the 9 again. Hopefully we get a crossover on the way going up. Right now, $4 seem to be holding up so far. We have support at $4 and we have the 9. Let's see if they don't try to break it down or not. We need a better wall on level 2. Remember, you guys, you want like at least more than 3 things to match up. You want a decent picture, you want the decent level 2, you want a decent times and sales. Right now it's not that strong because we got FDA. I did buy it on bad news, which is not a good dip buy, but you guys, I just kind of thought it was an overreaction when it kind of was. So I just took it for like 30, 40, 50 cents, just with big size. Here's a break of $4. Let's see if they hold it. Let's see if they hold it up, you guys. We got some big buyers at 4. Now it's like a tug of war, you guys. We got a tug of war going on at $4. Hopefully this thing breaks the 404. It could go either way right here, you guys. It could go either way. There's a lot of pressure on both sides. If it goes up this way, we could get a squeeze. If it goes down, we could get a little crash because there's a lot of pressure on both sides. This so far is a good indicator that we do have some buyers around this area, and we have some buyers around this area. But the problem is if it cracks, if the shorts are successful and push it down, those buyers, a lot of them, they probably get out, cut losses, whatever. So let's see if $4 holds again. Finger on the trigger, you guys, just in case. Got some bidders at 4. Big bidders at 4, a few bidders. Not that many sellers at 401. Just watching this times and sales. We got big sellers on the times and sales. Let's see if 4 holds up. So far, they're eating them. So far, a lot of sellers are coming in. We're getting a bearish move right here. If it gets below right here, we're going to get probably a little hard crash. So finger's going to stay on the trigger for a couple seconds. Just in case 4 cracks, you guys. 389 is next support. Thank God we only locked it. We only have 300 shares left, so we locked in most of the profits. You guys remember, number 1 rule is cut losses quickly according to your risk. Our second rule is what? Up there with number 1, lock in profits. Third rule sometimes is patience. Just wait for it to get in, wait to get out. Bam, gone, you guys. Sold 200 shares at the crack of 4. Just in case this thing holds up. Remember? Oh yeah, the biggest rule of all, that should be the number 1 rule, is which ties into cutting losses, is risk management. Risk management, focus on risk, focus on risk, focus on risk. This thing might squeeze back up again 4, but just in case it doesn't, you guys, we lock it in. See, look at 390, 395. Look at all the sellers coming in. I don't want to get greedy, but this looks like a decent short right here, below 4. Cracking the trend line. But it's already down huge on the day, so I don't really want to short at the bottom for scalp it. 390 will take off the rest of the 100 shares, you guys. If it cracks. We got a big buyer still at 392. We don't know, you guys. It might be a huge short covering. It might be somebody just trying to average in, or it could be a market maker. So we're watching him. Let's see if he's real. Some buyers will see him and start buying when there's a big buyer trying to hold it above a certain area. Shorts will try to take him out the game. Looks like he was successful. Only have 100 shares, you guys, left. Turned out to be a good day trading. Start the new year off with a decent cushion. This is my first 5-figure trade, y'all. It's crazy to me, but I don't think it's sunk in yet, but maybe later it'll sink in. Fighting between $3.90 and $4. New support and resistance, tight resistance. Looks like it might go again. Let's see if they hold it up above there. Let's see if they get it through 4 again. I don't know why my backspace button wasn't working on this. I wanted to have it. Just more.